Wood selection affects chainsaw carving ease durability. Safety equipment protects against chainsaw carving accidents. Tool maintenance keeps chainsaw carving equipment functioning. Share if chainsaw carving demonstrates power. Design planning guides. Chainsaw carving. Artistic vision. Technique. Mastery enables complex chainsaw carving details. Wood grain. Understanding influences. Chainsaw carving approach. Finishing techniques. Complete chainsaw carving professional appearance. Dust collection manages chainsaw carving. Workspace cleanliness. Power control affects chainsaw carving. Precision accuracy. Reference materials. Guide realistic chainsaw carving proportions. Sharpening maintains chainsaw carving. Tool cutting efficiency. Weather protection preserves outdoor chainsaw carving artwork. Portfolio development showcases. Chainsaw carving artistic growth. Commission work shares. Chainsaw carving talents professionally.